Hey, thanks for coming along. Since deep learning is still a relatively new model, it requires something of a different approach. But first, let's talk about some of the more interesting ways that it's already being applied. Alright, a lot of companies today are already realizing how quickly deep learning can help them be more effective and efficient, and reduce costs, and increase revenue. But the true beauty here is how user-friendly the end product is. Like when using the Microsoft AI Translator, which underpins Skype. It performs instant translations of conversations over 100 different languages. And if you haven't tried this yet, it's a really amazing way to communicate with people across language barriers. Energy utility companies are already using deep learning models to reduce outages with better predictive maintenance and to optimize their distribution with smart grids. In healthcare, deep learning is being used to predict better disease drivers in genomic medicine and improving health outcomes by providing a thorough analysis of medical records and then recommending the best care while considering the complete range of health conditions. In a world where 90% of the data has been generated in just the past 2 years, it's becoming increasingly more computationally expensive and also difficult to keep up with, and that's why you can use deep learning with an enterprise of any size to analyze your data, and the sky's the limit. Reveal deeper insights for your decision makers and make improvements in product development. You can monitor the security of your IT systems along with monitoring your physical facilities. The only question now becomes how to define what the AI deep learning tasks will be. And this is where the fun begins. I think of these tasks like senses. And here are the 5 major AI senses for deep learning tasks. Detection asks, is it present or not, like with cancer detection. And classification determines what type of thing is it, used with material sorting technologies. In segmentation, the question, how could it be divided and grouped, is important for autonomous navigation, and prediction suggests what the likely outcome will be, which is very good for predictive maintenance schedules. Recommendation task delivers what will best satisfy the objective, like optimizing supply chain management. So without looking too far, it's clear to see the many use cases in every industry where deep learning is having a huge impact. So find out more about which approach works best in your scenario by checking out the next video in this series. Right here. You can click that. I'll wait. I catch my breath.